Venture capital once held a death grip on innovation in the crypto space. It was the only way for a developer to get his dream project up and running. But the game has changed. Now the most transformative AI projects are launching straight to the crowd. Virtual's protocol flipped the funding model, giving average investors a real shot for the first time ever. Projects on Genesis Launchpad are letting retail investors in at the ground floor on day one. But can this system hold up to the pressure? And can it truly stop whales from gaming the game? Let's find out. I'm Ray, and welcome to the Cash Lab, guys, where we turn tech trends into profits. If you're new here, welcome home. I've been deep in the Web3 space since the 2017 bull run, lost big, learned fast, and came back sharper than ever. And today, we're diving into a project that has been lighting up the crypto world since early 2024. It's caught fire for a reason. And in this video, we're going to cover what Virtual's protocol does, the visionaries behind the project, and how you can get in early through the Genesis Launchpad. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, I'm going to show you how to use it. Virtuals was founded by Jensen Tang.
Unlike building in Web 2, right, where you can be in stealth mode.
And Wiki Teal.
Futile effort to try to differentiate human or agent.
Both are graduates from the Imperial College of London. Jensen is a serial builder. His resume includes AI startups, a sustainable water company called Thin Air, and some biotech initiatives. And Wiki, he scaled marketing teams and led private equity growth in Asia. In short, they've been here before, and they're bringing structure to the chaos of Web3 AI. So what exactly is Virtual's protocol? Think of it like this. It's a platform that lets developers crowdfund their AI projects without giving half the company to the VCs. Instead, users like you and I get to pool smaller amounts of capital and get into projects early. It's a win-win. We're giving the developer enough capital to start his project, and we get to profit if the project does well. The projects launching are AI agents, autonomous evolving software personalities that operate in apps, in games, in website, and more. They make decisions, they learn, and they act on their own. If you stick around the Virtual's ecosystem long enough, you're going to hear the term G.A.M.E. G.A.M.E is the agent framework behind many of the agents built on Virtuals. It stands for Generative, Autonomous, Multimodal Entities. It's a structured system that helps developers build intelligent agents capable of perception, planning, and action, all using natural language. And here's where it gets really powerful, and honestly, where beginners often miss what's happening. Each agent is minted as an ERC6551 NFT. That means it's not just another picture. It's a smart wallet. It can hold tokens, assets, and history. Upon that, every agent launches its own ERC20 token. So when you buy Luna, Vader, or AIXBT, you're not just speculating. You are co-owning a functional on-chain agent. So why has the price of the Virtual's token skyrocketed? They have other competitors out there. What makes Virtual so special? Is it just hype, or is there something deeper going on beneath the surface of this ecosystem? Every action inside Virtual's protocol runs on the Virtual's token. Whether you're staking, pledging in pre-sales, swapping for agent tokens, or earning through referrals, it begins and ends with Virtuals. It's not just a token, it's the fuel that powers the entire ecosystem. And the more demand there is for agents, tools, and launches, the more utility and pressure piles onto Virtual. And that means big gains for its investors. Next, let's talk about Genesis Launchpad and how you can earn points and participate in some of these early launches. The name of the game is getting your hands on as many Virgin Points as possible. You can do this by first and foremost staking your Virtual's tokens. This is going to give you vVirtual, and vVirtual earns Virgin Points daily. Next, you can connect your X account, sign up with Kaito AI, and start yapping, replying, and engaging with posts that have to do with the Virtual's ecosystem. And they also just launched referrals, where you can earn points just for having your friends and family sign up using your code. And lastly, you can stake your agent tokens. And here's a complete list of the agents that are approved for staking. All of this contributes to your Virgin Points score. That's the currency you'll use to pledge into pre-sales on Genesis Launchpad. And here's the kicker. No one can own more than 0.5% of any launch. It's fair, anti-whale, and merit-based. And to keep things clean, in order to succeed, every agent must raise 41,250 Virtuals during its pre-sale. If not, the launch fails and it's back to square one for the developer. And be sure to stay out of Jeet Jail. That's a 10-day cooldown on point earnings if you sell your original allocation for from one of the pre-sales. And the penalty is the steepest on day one and decreases each day until you're back into full earning power. This is to prevent the whales from dumping on you. So why would a developer choose virtuals over some of its competitors? Well, how about the better a token performs, the more the creator earns, aligning long-term incentives with success. And here's the fee breakdown when someone swaps virtuals token for an AI agent. 20% of that fee goes to the agent creator. 30% is locked as liquidity. 20% goes to the treasury, and 20% is burnt by the protocol. This flywheel keeps creators showing up, and why the virtuals community feels more like a movement than a market. So now you've got the playbook. Genesis Launchpad, AI agents, fair launches, and staking rewards. The rest is how hard you're willing to grind in this ecosystem. And if you're serious about staying ahead of the wave, make sure you're subscribed. I'm definitely going to see you in the trenches. Thanks for watching, guys.